Hey, I'm Ted from Garmin. Let's take a look at the new TT10 collar that's part of the Alpha GPS tracking and training system for sporting dogs. There are two antennas on the TT10. This small puck is a GPS antenna. For best reception, it should always ride atop the dog's neck. Now you'll want to make sure you've got a solid GPS fix before putting the collar on your dog. The collar light will flash 3 times in green when you've got an optimal GPS signal. Now this antenna, made of rugged aircraft cable, is responsible for transmitting your dog's location to your Alpha 100 handheld and also for receiving corrections you make to your dog. When on the dog, this antenna should point up for maximum range. The collar should fit snugly and high on your dog's neck, right behind the ears. Make sure the collar's contact points touch the dog's skin. For dogs with long or thick hair, you can install the longer contact points that's provided with your Alpha GPS system. If you want to run your dog without correction, like during a field trial, simply install the flush-mounted cap included with your system. The Alpha uses a standard 1-inch coated nylon strap. If you're running more than one dog at a time, you can swap out the orange collar for a different color. Garmin.com offers high-quality collar straps in a variety of different colors. The TT10 features a flashing beacon for night use too. You can turn on the beacon as needed from your Alpha handheld. To activate the light, select the dog, then press Menu, and then adjust collar light. Now this light is visible up to 100 yards away, and it helps you locate your dog in the dark. And it alerts others if he wanders near a dimly lit road. For more information on the Alpha GPS tracking and training system for sporting dogs, visit garmin.com/alpha.